Titanium is stronger than steel, but 45% lighter. This combination of strength and lightness makes it an ideal metal for the aerospace, automotive, and medical industries. 1 kilogram of titanium can cost between $10 and $100, depending on its purity and use. Aerospace grade is the most expensive. Australia, South Africa, and China have the largest reserves. And the countries that produce the most are China, Japan, and Russia. The largest consumers are the United States, China, and Japan. They need it for their medical, technological, and aerospace industries. It is completely resistant to corrosion, even in salt water. That is why it is used in ships, submarines, implants, and jewelry. It can last decades without rusting. The human body does not reject it. It is biocompatible, which means it can remain inside the body without causing adverse reactions. That is why it is used in prosthetics, bone plates, and even heart valves. It can withstand extreme temperatures. Titanium maintains its shape and strength even above 600 degrees Celsius, making it indispensable in aircraft engines and turbines. Despite its abundance in the Earth's crust, it is difficult to extract. Titanium is present in many rocks, but its extraction process is complex, costly, and requires a lot of energy. It can be anodized to change color without using paint. By modifying its surface with electricity, titanium reflects light in different metallic tones, making it very popular in jewelry and designer watches. It is produced mainly from a mineral called rutile. Rutile is processed to obtain titanium tetrachloride, which is then reduced with magnesium in an oxygen-free environment. It is a technical and highly controlled process. Titanium is not magnetic. This makes it ideal for use in sensitive electronic instruments, such as medical devices or aircraft, where magnetic fields can cause interference. It is one of the safest metals for people with allergies. It contains no nickel or other irritating metals, making it the best option for people with sensitive skin. Its use is growing in consumer technology. It is no longer exclusive to heavy industry. Today it is found in mobile phones, high-end bicycles, glasses, and even luxury credit cards. If you thought titanium was just another metal, wait until you discover these facts that make it unique and fundamental in our daily lives. If you enjoy learning about the science and technology behind the materials we use every day, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And before we start, tell us in the comments, what do you think is the most surprising application of titanium? Now let's go ahead and discover step by step how this strong and versatile metal is made, the one found in airplanes, medical prosthetics, and so much more. Let's begin. Step 1. Mineral extraction, the origin of titanium. Titanium's journey begins in the ground, where it is found in the form of minerals, mainly rutile and ilmenite. Although titanium is the 9th most abundant element in the Earth's crust, it is not found in its pure state. It is combined with other elements, which makes its extraction a real challenge. The richest deposits of these minerals are found in countries like Australia, South Africa, India, and Canada. To extract them, open-pit mining methods are used. Once the mineral is collected, it goes through a crushing and separation process, where a concentrate with high titanium content is obtained. Rutile, which contains around 95% titanium dioxide, is the most valued for its purity. Ilmenite, although more abundant, requires more processing to reach adequate purity levels. This first step is crucial. The quality of the extracted mineral will determine the efficiency of the entire subsequent process. Without well-selected raw material, high-quality titanium cannot be obtained for applications like airplanes, medical implants, or resistant jewelry. Here, deep in the earth, begins the story of one of the most valuable metals in the world. Step 2. Chemical purification. From rutile to titanium tetrachloride ==. Once the mineral is extracted, one of the most delicate stages begins: chemical purification. The goal is to isolate titanium from the rest of the elements present in rutile or ilmenite. To achieve this, a highly controlled industrial process known as chlorination is applied. In this stage, the concentrated mineral is mixed with carbon and exposed to chlorine gas at temperatures reaching 900 degrees Celsius. The chemical reaction transforms titanium dioxide into titanium tetrachloride, a liquid, volatile, and highly reactive substance. This compound, although not yet metallic titanium, is a purer and more manageable form of the element. Once the tetrachloride is obtained, It is subjected to distillation to remove impurities such as iron, magnesium, and other unwanted metals. This step is fundamental because it allows titanium to be separated from oxygen, a necessary condition to reduce it to its metallic form in the following stages. It also ensures that the resulting material is pure enough to be used in critical sectors such as medicine or aviation. Here, titanium stops being just another rock in the ground and begins to become a strategic metal. Step 3. Metal reduction. The Kroll process in action. With purified titanium tetrachloride, one of the most important transformations begins, converting that volatile liquid into metallic titanium. This step is known as the Kroll process, a method developed in the 1940s that, to this day, remains the standard for titanium production. The procedure involves introducing titanium tetrachloride into a sealed chamber filled with argon gas to prevent oxidation. It is then heated to high temperatures while metallic magnesium is injected, acting as a reducing agent. The reaction between both elements removes the chlorine from the compound, leaving metallic sponge titanium as a result, along with a byproduct, magnesium chloride. This raw titanium, known as titanium sponge, is highly porous and needs to be cleaned and processed before becoming a useful piece. Although the Kroll process is expensive and energy-intensive, it allows titanium to be obtained with a purity of up to 99.9%. It is a critical stage that transforms an unstable chemical compound into a strong, resistant metal prepared for the demands of the aerospace, medical, and military industries. This is where titanium is finally born as a metal. Step 4. Melting and molding. Creating solid titanium. Once titanium sponge is obtained through the Kroll process, it is time to transform it into a solid and uniform metal. This stage is known as melting and molding, and it requires controlled conditions, extreme temperatures, and an oxygen-free environment. The titanium sponge is compacted together with recycled titanium scraps and placed in a vacuum furnace or inert atmosphere. There it is subjected to melting through electric arc or electron beam, reaching temperatures above 1,700 degrees Celsius. During this process, titanium melts completely and then solidifies slowly inside a cooled copper mold, forming a large ingot known as a titanium block. This ingot can weigh several tons and will be the base for multiple industrial applications. Melting allows bubbles, porosities, and small impurities to be eliminated, ensuring a dense, homogeneous, and resistant internal structure. It can also be repeated a second or third time to achieve even higher purity levels. This stage marks the definitive transition of titanium from a porous and irregular form to a dense, structural, and fully usable metal. Now it is ready to be worked into high-technology parts. Step 5. Rolling and transformation. Shaping titanium. After obtaining solid titanium ingots, the rolling and transformation stage begins, where the metal is shaped to acquire the forms needed for its final use. This process is fundamental to adapt titanium's properties to the various industrial applications. First, the ingots are heated to controlled temperatures to improve their ductility, allowing the metal to be worked without risk of fracture. Then they pass through a series of rollers that progressively flatten them, reducing their thickness and transforming them into plates, sheets, bars, or tubes. During rolling, titanium retains its strength and lightness, but gains flexibility to be manipulated according to specific needs. This process also improves the crystal structure, increasing its durability and ability to resist corrosion. In addition to rolling, titanium can be forged, cut, or machined to create parts with complex shapes. These techniques make it possible to produce components for the aerospace industry, medical implants, sports equipment, and jewelry, among others. Rolling and transformation are the gateway to turning metallic titanium into high-value products, ready to face the demands of the modern world. Step 6. Industrial applications. From the airplane to the operating room. Titanium, thanks to its unique combination of strength, lightness, and corrosion resistance, has become an indispensable material in various industries. Its use ranges from building airplanes to highly specialized medical applications. In the aerospace industry, titanium is essential for manufacturing structures and components of commercial and military aircraft. Its resistance allows it to withstand high pressures and temperatures, while its low weight contributes to fuel efficiency and improves the overall performance of the aircraft. In the medical field, titanium stands out for being biocompatible, meaning it does not cause adverse reactions when used inside the human body. For this reason, it is used in orthopedic implants, dental prosthetics, and surgical devices that require high durability and safety. In addition, titanium is resistant to aggressive chemical environments, making it ideal for industrial equipment in chemical plants and for the manufacture of durable and lightweight jewelry. These applications demonstrate the versatility of titanium, a metal that combines exceptional properties to meet the demands of cutting-edge technological and medical sectors. Step 7. Everyday uses. Titanium in your daily life. Although titanium is a metal known for its use in advanced industries, it is also present in many everyday objects, improving the quality and durability of common products. For example, titanium is used in the manufacture of watches and glasses thanks to its strength and lightness, making them comfortable and long-lasting. Its corrosion resistance also prevents these objects from deteriorating over time. In the world of sports, titanium plays a starring role in bicycles, tennis rackets, and high-performance equipment, where the combination of lightweight and strength is essential for improving performance. It is also common to find titanium in kitchen utensils, such as pots and pans, which take advantage of its ability to withstand high temperatures and avoid corrosion, ensuring safety and long service life. Even in the world of technology, components such as mobile phone cases and laptop shells take advantage of titanium's properties to offer resistance without sacrificing weight. So titanium is closer than you think, part of multiple objects we use daily that improve our lives thanks to its unique characteristics. And so ends this incredible journey of titanium, from a mineral extracted from the earth to becoming an essential metal in airplanes, medical implants, and objects we use every day. A complex process, but one that shows us the power of science and industry to transform the world. Now I want to ask you, did you know that behind materials as common as titanium there is all this work and technology? Leave your answer in the comments and tell me which step of the process surprised you the most. And if you want us to investigate another element or mineral, let us know too. We want to know what you are interested in discovering. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like it, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next journey to discover more secrets of the elements that move our lives.